Automation and controls and really all of electronics boil down to inputs like this hand switch, outputs like this light, and something in the middle to read the inputs and tell the outputs what to do like this PLC. And even though this looks like a pretty basic desk setup, there's actually a lot going on here, so let's check it out.
First, I have this power supply taking 120 volts AC from the wall outlet and turning it into 24 volts DC, which is what this Arduino needs to run. Then I use Arduino's PLC IDE to write a PLC program using a language called structured text, which is one of the PLC specific programming languages. And in this program, I map the status of this hand switch directly to the blue light on the PLC, and I map the status of my output outlet directly to that green status light on the PLC. Because if you watch closely, the output outlet is not actually directly mapped to this hand switch, it's mapped to the high transition of the hand switch. So I use the PLC to detect every time the switch transitions high, and then I toggle the state of this outlet using that. But the outlet uses 120 volts and the PLC uses 24, so I use this relay to control that, because a relay can take one source voltage and control a different output voltage.
So you can see just in a very basic bench setup with one input, one output, and a relay, there's already a lot going on, and more importantly, there's a lot to learn and a lot of opportunities for cool projects. Industrial automation and controls really just is like the hobby world of Arduino at an industrial scale. In my opinion, it's a super cool and not frequently talked about field of engineering, and if you want to learn more about it, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, Lemaster Tech.